welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day, and if you have not already, please do subscribe to our channel. We do lots of unboxings, makeup hauls, review videos, all kinds of great fun stuff, and we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so once you have subscribed, please do make sure to enter the link below for the contest. But as you can see from the description, we got our September Birchbox. I am super excited to dive in here and see what we got this month. So again, this is the Birchbox for September 2018. So we are going to take the lid off. We have the card. This is what it looks like inside. So let's see. It says, "We're celebrating you. This month marks 8 years of Birchbox, and we couldn't have done it without our awesome customers." And then in parentheses it says, "You. You helped us reach over 1 million global subscribers. You share your unique unboxing experience with us each month." So just, you know, we're celebrating you. And then obviously on the back it has everything listed and prices for the full size. So we are just going to dive in. I do see bonus in blue down here, so we'll start with that. And it is by Hum Nutrition. It is Hair Sweet Hair Gummies. Treat your strands from the inside out with these berry flavored vegan gummies that help promote healthy hair growth thanks to a combo of folic acid, biotin, zinc, and more. Take 2 gummies daily with or without food. And this includes 2, so it's just a little trial daily. So that's interesting. It says gummies with benefits. So we'll give those a try. So let's dive into the actual 5 products in the box. And the first one listed, I can tell right here, is by, is it Stila or Styla? Stila Cosmetics? Sorry. And I just dropped it. Let me grab it. Okay, sorry y'all. It is the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina Shimmer. This creamy liquid lipstick is a dusty shimmery rose shade. This creamy liquid lipstick in a dusty shimmery rose shade glides on like a gloss, yet last like a stain. If it was full size, it would be $22. And it is a very, very pretty color. Like really pretty. Oh, super pretty and so fall appropriate. So that's really, really pretty. So yay. And next we have a product by Touch and Soul. No Problem Primer. Full size is $18. This lightweight overachiever does it all. Shrinks pores, blurs out fine lines, and hydrates your complexion. On clean, dry skin, apply a thin layer all over your face. There we have that. So I'm excited to try that. I love trying different primers. So that'll be great. And then by R & Company, we have the Park Avenue Blowout Balm. Full size is $29. This smoothing balm adds bounce to your blowout while protecting hair from heat damage. Massage a dollop into damp strands, then blow dry. So I will definitely be giving this a shot the next time I decide to blow dry my hair and straighten it. I do have the Brazilian Blowout shampoo, conditioner, and the hair mask for when I've had the Brazilian Blowout. But with this, even with the Brazilian blowout in North Carolina during the summer, my hair is just not happy. So that is why you've seen a lot this summer of the mom bun. So I definitely, like I said, will be giving this a try one of the next times I actually blow dry and straighten my hair. So here is that. And the next item by Sunday Riley, Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Oh my goodness, you guys, the full size is $105. Okay, so that, I'm assuming, yes, it is a very, very tiny sample. This best-selling high-potency lactic acid treatment exfoliates dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, evens out hyperpigmentation, and boosts your skin's glow. Start by using a thin layer on clean, dry skin twice a week, then building to daily use if needed. $105. So it's a tiny sample, but it does feel like there's a decent amount in there. So, you know, at twice a week, might get 2 weeks out of this. So I don't know if that's really going to be enough to notice a difference, but we'll give it a try. And then the final item is by This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Full size is $29. Maintain a relaxed state as you fall fast asleep with this pillow spray packed with soothing lavender and chamomile essential oils. You guys, this excites me. Spray onto pillow before bedtime. Like, oh, it does. You guys know I love my essential oils. And that's really neat to get in a beauty box. You know, it's not a skincare, hair care, or actual beauty item. So that's really neat. I'm super happy that this is in my Birchbox this month. And I will be giving this a try tonight. Like, I don't know what I'm more excited about in this box, because this is really, really awesome. This lip color is beautiful, and that's a really good size. I'm excited to try the primer, the blowout balm, and then this stuff. Like I said, a full size is $105, so it's got to be good. So I'm looking forward to giving this a few tries. And then we had the bonus with the hair gummies. So this was a good box. I've heard hit and miss about Birchbox, but I decided, you know what, I was going to give it a try. I did get my first box last month, and I, of course, made a video. However, the reason you did not see it is because I ended up somehow accidentally deleting it, but nevertheless, I was pleased with that my first Birchbox, which was last month. So this is my second, and I'm good with this. So Birchbox so far for me has been decent. So I'm excited to see what next month holds for Birchbox. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave a link down below for you guys if you would like to sign up for Birchbox. For those of you that do not know, and I apologize for not saying this at the beginning of the video, Birchbox is a $10 monthly subscription. It is much like Ipsy in that you get, you know, the sample size, about 5 items every month of different beauty, skincare, hair care, and apparently pillow spray. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, if you have not already, please do subscribe and make sure to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Otherwise, I will see you guys with the next video, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.